PyTutor is a tool designed to support the collaborative study of computer science. The two main roles in PyTutor are that of question editor and student. Question editors are comprised of more experienced programmers and teachers who create and develop content on the site. Students utilize the content in the study section of PyTutor, attempting to solve the problems designed by the question editors. As a question editor, I am able to create new content under the New Question tab. Here, I am able to write new questions by defining the function name and setting the appropriate level. Then I'm able to create a question prompt and provide a sample response. To further categorize my question, I can add tags to provide editors and students more information about the target objectives of the question. Tags can also be used to set up a series of questions for a particular study group or session. After, I am able to provide sample unit tests for my question, giving students concrete examples. Under the List Questions tab, I am able to view all of the questions I have created, as well as the questions that have been created by other users. From here, I am able to get information about questions in the system and edit those created by other users. This can help to refine the content in PyTutor by providing improved sample responses or adding more unit tests. As a student, I am able to study the content provided by the editors. PyTutor adjusts the level for the student depending on their response history and supplies questions that are appropriately challenging for the user. The student reads the prompt, writes a solution, and receives feedback. Students are given 10 attempts at a question before being prompted to move on to a new one. If the student answers the question incorrectly, they receive feedback based on the unit test provided by the question editor, demonstrating how their test failed to produce the expected result. If the student answer passes, they are then able to compare their response to the model response provided by the question creator, as well as to other student response solutions that have passed the unit tests. I am able to focus on particular topics by visiting the Study Tags menu to only receive questions that have been labeled as relevant to that topic. Within the student role, I am also able to access my user history. Here, I'm able to see my current level and the questions I've answered correctly and incorrectly. I am able to see all questions I've attempted from all levels in this report. And compare it to the model response created by the question editor. I am also able to review code submitted by other users that utilizes a different strategy than the model response. Moving forward with the project, students will be able to create social networks with their peers, to exchange roles between students and mentors, and collaboratively build understandings about the content.